If you're looking for an alternative to Binance, OKX and other exchanges, you could actually try Bitget out. So in this video, I'm going to put you through how you can easily create a Bitget account without any hassle. My name is Kalisto Onyeuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on it. So friends, if you're a first time visitor, I'm really happy to have you here. You're highly welcome to my channel, and if you are a returning visitor, you're highly welcome back as well. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Click on the bell icon to enable notifications, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified immediately. Click on the share button to share this video with your friends. You like this video, drop your comments or questions in the comment section of this video if you have any. Let us dive into how to create a Bitget account. So friends, to create a Bitget account, of course, you have to download the app from your Play Store if you are an Android user, or the App Store if you are an iPhone user. So now, after downloading the app, you're going to click on the app to open it, and you're going to see this exact interface that I have here, and you're going to click on continue. So now you can see this notification here. You can just skip it and then click on get started. Now here we have the option to either sign up with our email or phone number. So I always prefer to use an email to create any of these accounts. All right. So you're going to go ahead and fill in your email here, type in your password, and then put your referral code in this section. So I am going to drop my referral code in the comment section of this video, in the description section of this video, so that you can easily have access to it. You copy the code and put here as your referral code. Then after that, you go ahead to click on create account and we proceed to the next level. So friends, as you can see here, I have typed in my email address, I have put in my password, and now I have put in a referral code here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button. I have to check this button that says I have read and agreed to the Bitget user agreement and policy. I'm going to check it before I proceed to create my account. So I'm now going to click on create account. All right. Okay, now we are expected to solve this captcha code, right? So this is very sensitive. You're going to watch the arrows here and select these objects according to the directions that you can see on the arrow. All right, so the first one is pointing to the left, right? The second one is pointing upwards, and the third one is pointing downwards. So that's it. I'm going to click on OK. So guys, at this point, an OTP will be sent to your email address. So you need to get that OTP and paste it in this box here, and then click on submit to continue with the next steps in creating this Bitget account. So guys, at this point, you can decide to enable the fingerprint unlock or decide to do it later. So now I am going to skip this and I'll do it later. So I'll click on the later button. So that's it guys, your account has been fully created. So guys, follow these steps to easily create your Bitget account and then enjoy the benefits of using this Bitget account. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to enable notifications, so when I upload a new video, you'll be notified immediately. And share this video with your friends. Drop your comments in the comment section or questions if you have any. So in the next video, I am going to show you how you can easily verify your newly created Bitget account without any stress. So guys, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.